In this strategy, I hope to teach you $1 million strategy in every full target trading position. The most important challenge of the traders is that in entering the trade, they cannot determine where to exit the trade with having a considerable amount of profit. But in this video, by using MACD indicator, I will teach a method that you can exit in the best point and always make more profit while exiting the trade. So like the video and sub my channel and watch the video carefully to really eat well. Let's go to the chart. Well, in order to enter trade by using this strategy, we need 3 conditions. The first condition is that a black and red line must cross each other. Look like this. The black cut a red line. The second condition is the green candlestick should be above a blue line. And for the third condition, we take confirmation from the MACD indicator. When the green histogram came on top of MACD 0 line, it shows price get increasing and we can take a buy position. So with these 3 conditions, I open a line trade here. Now we reached to the most important part of this strategy, system of exiting trade with more profit. We used MACD indicator to exit the trade with more profit after open buy trade. Our first target is the longest histogram bar. The longest histogram bar is here and our first target is here. If we exit the position on first target, we made 0.91% of profit. I look to find TP2. The target 2 is the next longest bar. The next longest bar is here. It made us 1.43% of profit. I wait for target 3 or more because I sense the trend is still increasing. We again find the longest bar of MACD histogram for target 3, 4 and more. Look, this is it's target 3, it's target 4, it's target 5, yes, it's target 5 or more. We can stay in trade for more targets. For buying position, we only use a green histogram of MACD for setting target. Look, the market trend is still increasing and support point is still being higher than previous point. Look, the support point is still higher than previous point. This point higher than this point. And it shows us the market still increasing. For now, we will stay in this position to price break down this line, this resistance, and we realized that increasing has finished. When the price cut down this line, we exit this position and close it. If this video was helpful for you, please like the video. Now let's go to explain this exit system for selling trade. Look, the first condition is the black line cut down a red line with candlestick below the blue line. And for the final confirmation, bonds of MACD histogram should go stand under the MACD 0 line. So I open short position here. Now for setting target, we do like past. Here is target 1. No, wait, here is target 1. It's not good. Next longest bar histogram is here and it's target 2. When we close the position on target 2, we can make 0.29% profit. We can stay still in the trend to make more profit and find more target with MACD indicator. Let's introduce indicator used in this strategy. Search Trend Trade Strategy in Indicator tab. And put it on chart. Now go to the setting and change left to 14 and this one to 1. Then go to the style tab and thicken a trend line a little bit. That's good. For a second indicator, search QQE T4 and put it on chart. Go to the setting, in input tab change RSI to 13 and slow factor to 10. Then go to style tab and change the yellow to black to see better. And for the end, put MACD, search MACD and put it on chart. Then go to the setting and deactive just 2 items. Okay, our strategy is ready.